You're headed out to the Josephine County Fair today. If you head out early, no threat of thunderstorms. If you're there a little bit later this evening, could be bringing in a slight chance for a few pop-up thunderstorms. Cooler temperatures today, though, just shy of 90 degrees this afternoon. Temperatures only dropping to the 70s. We've been very hot for, well, we've seen several heat waves, I should say, over summer, even at the end of spring, and it was very dry, record-breaking dry. In fact, Oregon was the only state in the entire country to see the record driest July since record-keeping began. Whereas further on the East Coast, they broke several record-breaking days of rainfall, and in fact, Florida saw the wettest July they've ever seen on record. So no wonder we're in the middle of a very active fire season. I mean, take a look at the Pacific Northwest right now, relatively dry. Then you take a look closer to the Southeast and Florida, and of course, they're even getting more rain. The East Coast, which has been doused with rain several times all summer long, is actually finally starting to dry out. So we're going to be bringing in another chance for thunderstorms as we head into today and tomorrow, mainly at the higher elevations, but can't rule out one forming in Siskiyou County, moving into west side valleys in southern Oregon. But this upper level low is going to become cut off from the jet stream. To put that in perspective, the last round of thunderstorms we dealt with for over a week, last week, even into Monday of this week, was due to a cutoff low. This system is going to get cut off. It is going to roll down to central California and bringing us thunderstorms early next week. A better chance for thunderstorms. In fact, for right now, it does look like Northern California is going to be getting the bulk of the activity, but that is the next system we're going to be keeping our eyes on. For the most part, a very mild, pleasant weekend on tap. We will bring in a slight chance for isolated thunderstorms not only today, but tomorrow, mainly along and east of the Cascades. West Siskiyou County could also see one or two pop up. At the coast, a pretty mild day shaping up, mid to upper 60s this afternoon. In the mountains, increasing smoke, isolated showers and thunderstorms today. Not expecting to see as many thunderstorms as we saw last week, but could see a one or two pop up. In the basin, a very pleasant day shaping up, mid 80s for most of you. Siskiyou County, of course, Mount Shasta, one of the cooler spots, 86 degrees for a high, a mix of sun and clouds. Increasing clouds in the afternoon across all inland areas, and just a slight chance for thunderstorms this afternoon for the Rogue Valley. At the coast, mid-70s return Sunday and Monday to your area. In the basin, slight chance today and tomorrow afternoon hours for those thunderstorms. Better chance as we head into next week. That goes for Siskiyou County as well. Temperatures close to 100 on Monday. And we'll bring in that slight chance, or isolated thunderstorms, I should say, Tuesday and Wednesday, with only a slight chance for the Rogue Valley Tuesday and Wednesday for those thunderstorms. But overall, looks like we're going to be having a nice weekend, upper 80s tomorrow for highs, with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. So looks like a good weekend to get out and enjoy yourself.